What's up, Sweathearts? Ready for the tutorial for Expensive by Tori. And remember, your money don't buy love. Let's get started. We're going to start with a little walk to the side. To the right we go. 1, 2, 3, together. 1, 2, 3, together. Then we go right, left, step, left, right, step, right, left, step, left, right, step, and repeat to the side. To the front, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta ta, ta ta, ta ta, ta ta. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, arms wherever you want, and ta ta, ta ta, right, left, left, right, and. After that final step, left, right, we're going to take it right, left, double right, left, right, double left. Arms are side, side, shoot up, down, side, side, up, down. We walk it up, right, left, right, together. We snap towards the front, and we turn back to where we came from. Together, repeats. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walking up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see it facing the front. We just finished. Ta ta, ta ta, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Together. Repeats. 1, 2, arms up, down. 1, 2, arms up, down. Walk. 2, 3. Together. 1, 2, 3. Together. So we just finished that turn back, and we come into a little side step. Side, cross, side, cross, side, cross, side, together. To step V step. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. There's two versions of this. One is with no arms, just arms grooving right here. And the second one is your money can't buy love. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Money don't buy love. Good. Let's see it facing the front. We just did 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time 5, 6, 7. Side step. Side. Cross. Side. Cross. Side. Cross. Side. Together. Right. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right. Left. This time with the hands. Money don't buy love. Together. Right after that B step, we went left, right, left, right. We're going to open up. We're going to bring the right hand up, and we're going to have a money coming this way. Then the left leg, we're going to bring the heel in. We're going to get the knee coming out. It's on the ball of the foot. It goes 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we walk around to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Facing the front, I'll show it. We went 1, 2, 3, 4. Money don't buy love. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5, 6. From the top, we walk together. And the second time, again, we start with that right arm and left heel or knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Around 5, 6, 7. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Around 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do it facing the front. We say right, left, right, left, left, right, left. And money don't buy love. No, your money don't buy love. Your money don't buy love. Around 5, 6, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Around 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we start to the right with the hip. hip, 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 hip. Arms go front and side, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then come around 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll show it facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. You take the hips around and you make the butt bounce. Then we have to the side, 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 side. Facing the front, it goes double right, double left, double right, double left, double right, double left. Left hand out, grab the milkshake, drink it, roll the body with the arms. Right hand, grab the milkshake, drink it, roll the body groove. One more time, left hand, grab the milkshake, drink it, roll the body, arms come to the side. We have a nice slow body roll starting from the top to the back. It goes 1, 2, roll it, right, drink, roll it, left, drink, roll it, hit, and body roll. It starts again, side step, right here. 4 more, 4, 3, 2, 1. After that body roll, and then 8 times to the side, we come one more time with that money, don't buy love. 3 times, walk it around, and we go right back into the side, arms shoot up, both ways. We walk to the front, we turn it back, we repeat that one more time, and then we finish with the side step, 3, 2, together, into that. Right, left, left, right. That's all the steps. Let's dance it.